Aww, you're such a darling. Thank you. See why I'm considering you for godfather?
No godfather. She said, wait, which one's considering? She said, no, she said godfather because, you see how she said? Godfather because he has money.
If I behave or some shit.
No.
If I behave.
Don't have to talk.
Hello guys, you're welcome back to your favorite channel, Naija News and Entertainment. Bbnaija Lockdown. Nengi gets angry with Ozo for saying this to Kiddwaya. Bbnaija Lockdown housemate Ozo has angered Nengi by telling Kiddwaya that Nengi is considering him because he has money. Ozo made the comment after Nengi again expressed her likeness for Kid, saying she was considering the billionaire's son as a godfather. As viewers and some fellow housemates may have noticed, Nengi is growing tired and irritated by Ozo's constant clinging on her. She had also on several occasions made it clear that she does not share Ozo's feelings for her. Before now, the Bayelsa-born female housemate has said she can't date Ozo because she had a running relationship with someone outside the house, and later said she cannot date a proper person like Ozo because she had declared her admiration for Kiddwaya. And last night she told Kid, "You're such a darling. This is why I'm considering you for a godfather," she said in the presence of Ozo. Agitated by Ozo told Kid, she said, "Godfather, she's considering you because you have money." Angered by this, Nengi told Ozo, "You don't have sense, my friend, shift. You don't know how to talk." Guys, what do you think of Ozo and Nengi's relationship? Let me know your thoughts in the comment section below.